My name is Advik. Today I am going to tell you a very interesting story. Its name is Step. In this story, there is a very good girl. Now I am telling the story. There was one village. There was a bear also. He crawled. He crawled in the village. He thought that he sniffed the air because one girl was making food in the house, but she didn't found her. He could not found her. He peeped in one house and saw a girl washing dishes with ash and sand. Then he said, "Ooh." Then the girl listened the voice, but she was not scared, but she wanted to see what happened. When she peeped out of the house, then she dropped the dish and said, "Bhalu, Bhalu," she shouted. And then all the villagers came and the Bhalu was running. All the villagers came with broomstick, stones and all things. And then he didn't find his way because there was a well and a wall. But he can't climb the wall, or there was no chance to climb the wall. Then he went inside the well. When he went inside the well, all people was throwing stones from here. He was bleeding. Then all the people went home again. Then only one girl was there. She was saying like this, "Hello." Then the bear was comfortable and he was breathing a relief like that. And then Meera said, "Let's get that bear up." Then a little boy said, "We didn't harm him. Why he is looking like that?" Because all the villagers were treating him very badly. That's why he thinks that we are also treating him badly, said Meera Didi. She said, "Okay, I got it," he said. Then she said, "Bring a ladder from anyone's house." There was another small boy. His name was Lakshman. He said, "I have an idea." He went home and then brought a ladder. Then Meera Didi said, "Wow, very good. Now we will rescue the trapped animal." They put the ladder down, but bear was shy to come up. He thought that they will beat him and with stone and broom. But Meera said softly, "We are not harming you. Come up." Then the bear climbed 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps. When he was halfway up the well, he stopped again because he saw up there were more children. That time he was able to see only one. Then she said, we will not harm you." Then that bear again climbed up and he reached the top. Then that Meera said, "Now you should go home fast or the villagers will again treat you as they did." He thanked and bowed his head and went running out. Means he ran to the forest. But everyone was shocked to see that animal bowing her head down to a girl. How can animal think of feeling of a girl? And the moral of the story is we should be kind to animals. We should not treat animals badly. Thank you.